does the income that I earn in affect my ability to get a Spanish mortgage? The question is quite simple to that. The answer is yes. If your earnings are in a currency that is not the euro, there are certain rules and limitations that we have to take into account. Now, Spanish banks are very, very comfortable with the core currencies. Core currencies are Great British pounds, the US dollar, Swiss francs, and the Scandinavian currencies, the kronas, Denmark, Sweden, and Norwegian. But if you earn in anything else other than that, we do need to be cautious. Some of the currencies that you may be surprised, obviously there are countries that are within the EU, but are not in the Eurozone. So I'll just give you the countries here that we have to be careful with. Obviously Bulgaria, we're talking about Hungary, Poland, the Czech Republic, and Romania. They're in the EU, but they're not in the Euro. The reason why it can be an issue, and some banks find it complicated, is under EU and Spanish law, the Spanish bank will have to give you the option to borrow in the currency that you earn your income in. So for example, if you live in Hungary and you earn your income in Hungarian forint, under current EU and Spanish law, will have to offer you a mortgage in your own currency, in Hungarian forint. Now that is an issue because obviously the asset is in euro, is a euro denominated asset. And the issue is obviously having a mortgage in Hungarian forint will obviously increase the risk in the eyes of the Spanish bank. So we do need to be careful. There are certain banks that will not work with certain currencies. If you are looking at getting a mortgage in Spain, but you're unsure as to how Spanish banks will view your application because of all the differences between Spain and maybe your own home country, and if you earn your income in a currency which is not euro, then I would strongly recommend that you speak to an expert, speak to a qualified mortgage broker, speak to Fluent Finance Abroad ideally, and get informed. That's all for today. Thank you very much.